get greeted by the runs table in your project. And this is a table that hosts all of the metadata that we have logged. As mentioned, it can be very big, and you can explore all of it here. So you can add specific columns, and here you can see that column represents a specific namespace to which you have logged, or you can sort, you can order, you can filter by specific namespaces. Once you do that, you can save your combination of filters and added columns as a custom view, and it gets persisted for you. You can copy paste the link, which is also pointing to this specific view. You can share it with your colleagues. If they go to the specific link, they will be always seeing this dashboard that you have saved and augmented. Of course, not super useful if you want to do some deep analysis. So you do it by clicking out to a specific run or experiment. And this is where myself as a data scientist, I would spend most of my time in. And this is a custom dashboard. And it is not something that is automatically created for you, because you can create these dashboards as flexibly as you want. So you can add any type of metadata that you have logged. It can be images, it can be line charts, it can be other types of visualizations, simple strings, simple numeric values, and you can have as many of these dashboards as you want. And this is one of the ways of how you would be either analyzing the run yourself or would be sharing your experiment results with your colleagues. Yes, so the next cool thing in Neptune is how we allow for additional visualizations in our images that you log to Neptune. And a very neat feature of Neptune is things so-called image series that can be viewed in a carousel view. So you can actually play an image series as a GIF. And if you're training a object detection model and you want to see if it is able to converge on the ability of being able to identify an object, you can see it here after each epoch. If you log the metadata after each epoch, and if you see that your model is not converging to a specific result that you would like it to, you can interrupt your training run directly from the Neptune's UI. So Neptune UI is connected in real time to your script that is being executed. And the additional cool thing here is that on top of being able to simply interrupt the script, you can also observe the performance of it in real time. So this is system hardware metrics automatically extracted for you. So we have CPU, GPU, and we have regular memory utilization. And these values, even though they are now frozen, you would be able to see them changing in real time as your training script progresses. And let's say if you see that your memory is being saturated and you can already expect out of memory errors, you might not wait for it to happen, and you can simply also interrupt your run directly from Neptune's UI. We also automatically extract standard error and standard out log streams. Also very useful for debugging purposes and seeing if your experiment is progressing as you would like it to. So we additionally extract source code for you. So if we automatically log entry point scripts that triggered the training run, we also allow for storing other types of files here that you can provide before you initialize your run.